Hi everyone, it's Kylie, one of the podiatrists here at Core Clinic. Thought that I'd do a wee video to talk about sport shoes and running shoes and the things that as podiatrists that we look for when we're sending you out to one of our partners to purchase a shoe. So generally there are three things that we look for in a running shoe, but this is also when it comes across to kids' school shoes or walking shoes. So I have one of our shoes here as an example. The first thing that we're looking at is the heel counter. Now when we're looking at the heel counter, that's the part that holds your heel in place when you are doing walking and running. So when we push down on that heel counter, we shouldn't be able to push it down. We want that to be nice and stable to hold that heel in place. The second part that we look at is to do with the forefoot. Now when we look at the foot, the only part of the foot that actually does that flexion, I grab my trusty foot here, is this part here when we're propelling and moving forward. So likewise when we're looking at the shoe, the only part of the shoe that should be able to flex is this part here. We don't want to be able to get the shoe and hold it in half. That's not giving any type of support throughout the midfoot and allowing that foot to move around too much. Now, the last thing that we look at is the structure and integrity of the shoe. So like a sponge where you can wring that out, we don't want that to happen with a shoe. With the shoe, we want to be able to just hold it. It should have a nice structure, a nice base. We shouldn't be able to wring that shoe out. That then tells us that it's holding the foot in the right position so that when you are doing that, again, that forward movement, that everything is how it should be. But if you have any questions about what type of shoe you should be wearing, are you in the right shoe, the right size shoe, we always suggest coming in to see us and then we can send you out to one of our partners to get fitted for the best shoe. See you next time.